Ledgard Pruning Systems brings you a product range that is a cut above the rest. There's a high-performance Ledgard unit that will help you grow better fruit and achieve a better bottom line. Market leaders such as the heavy-duty cutter bar, the extra heavy-duty cutter bar, the mechanical harvester retrofit unit, the Ledgard cane lifter, the Ledgard cane sweeper, the vine shaper, the Ledgard orchard pruner, and Ledgard power packs. All these products are engineered for rugged reliability and outstanding performance. But the cutter bar design is the main reason for Ledgard's remarkable success. This is the heart of the Ledgard system. Two hydraulically powered one-piece double-acting cutter blades, made from steel so tough that it's used in earth-moving equipment. And right at the cutting edge is the unique Ledgard double-edged scalloped teeth concept, which is protected by a registered design. Moving in opposite directions, the computer-designed teeth meet to hold the wood rigid before delivering a clean, scissor-like cut. There is no dragging of material along the blade, and there's no hacking, so damage to the plant is virtually eliminated. To ensure long life, the teeth and the blade are manufactured from the one piece of steel. There are no whorls or rivets to crack or break. Although each blade travels much slower than single-action competitors, the reciprocating action means that the blades meet at a very high speed. This cuts thicker, denser canes cleanly and accurately, with vibration and strain upon the equipment virtually eliminated. Ledgard's proven performance and reliability are just two reasons why more and more growers are selecting Ledgard cutter bars. Here you see the Ledgard heavy-duty cutter bar doing summer green trimming at 8 kilometers an hour, as the pruning capacity of the unit allows you to travel at speed while still doing a thorough job. The unit is available with bars in lengths from 0.9 of a meter to 2 meters, and you have complete control of each bar from the tractor seat. Bars are hydraulically operated using an electronic control unit designed by Ledgard. Both the horizontal and vertical cutter bars can be raised and lowered, moved in and moved out, angled between vertical and horizontal, and adjusted for pitch, all with fingertip control. If you get a jam, just switch to reverse, and the bars open to release the vine. Switch to forward, and away you go, without leaving the tractor seat. Extra height on the horizontal cutter can be gained by undoing 4 bolts and adjusting, whilst specially engineered hydraulic rams give reliable, long-life service. In the case of an emergency, a rapid punch on the stop control shuts down the unit instantly. And if you leave the tractor, the safety seat pad will shut down the entire operation immediately. Thus, the system meets the comfort and control needs of the operator and all legal requirements for closed cabin operation. With green trimming done, the Ledgard heavy-duty cutter bar is ready for winter pre-pruning. It will easily handle dense foliage and thick canes, removing enough wood to allow for faster hand pruning, which is now the preferred method for growers seeking high-quality fruit. Note how the horizontal cutter bar is angled toward the vine, throwing cut canes clear for sweeping or mulching. The new Ledgard pivot is suitable for both the heavy-duty and the extra heavy-duty cutter bars. Strong and pre-tensioned, the pivot gives positive and reliable breakaway action in either the horizontal or vertical positions. In the horizontal position, it will prune over the vine and around cordons and posts with foliage wires in place. And you don't even have to slow your tractor. The Ledgard heavy-duty cutter bar is ideal for those established vineyards where vine growth and workload do not require the extra power of the extra heavy-duty model. The Ledgard extra heavy-duty cutter bar is favored by growers who do not intend to hand prune or where vines are very dense. This is undoubtedly Australia's best extra heavy-duty cutter bar system, and it explodes the myth that mechanical pruning can't match the precision of manual pruning. Growers can now prune hard to get better vine shape and better fruit quality. The extra heavy-duty model shown here, mounted on a forklift mast, has cutter bar lengths from 0.8 of a metre to 2.4 metres, and with adequate oil supply it can handle wood up to 32 millimetres in diameter. There are three main differences between the extra heavy-duty bar and the heavy-duty bar. Firstly, the registered design scalloped teeth are thicker, stronger and wider apart. Secondly, it has an external conrod as opposed to an internal conrod. Thirdly, it features a chain and sprocket drive as opposed to a direct drive. Otherwise, it has all the features and flexibility of its lighter brother. Height is adjusted by simply raising or lowering the mast. Tilt or pitch can be accomplished either manually or hydraulically, as can the side shift for both the vertical and horizontal bars. The hydraulic rams are designed to easily handle the increased weight of this heavier system. The reciprocal blade action delivers a scissor-like cut with a minimum of vibration, and the Ledgard pivot provides precise and positive breakaway action. The Ledgard extra heavy-duty cutter bar will not only slash the costs associated with time-consuming winter hand pruning, as a bonus, it will also handle summer trimming. One machine does the job of two, a big saving in capital. And when the season's pruning is completed, the unit can be quickly and easily lowered onto a specially designed storage stand. No lifting chain is needed for this operation, as the forklift supports the unit until it's safely on the stand. Then you quickly disconnect by removing a pin and undoing 2 bolts, and the unit is out of the way. Ledgard leads the world in cutter bar technology and design, so don't settle for less. You can buy the best, or save a little and put up with the downtime that follows when you push lightweight equipment too hard. With Ledgard, you get a grease-and-go system that's built for performance, long life, and low operating costs. Another moneymaker from Ledgard is the Mechanical Harvester Retrofit Unit, a clip-on, clip-off over-the-row pruner that fits nearly any self-propelled grape harvester. Retrofit units are available in both heavy-duty and extra heavy-duty models and have all the advantages of normal Ledgard units. The vertical cutter bars can be raised and lowered by simply adjusting the height of the harvester. They can be opened and closed hydraulically, either together or independently. The horizontal bar is also hydraulically controlled, and its distance of travel gives you optimum flexibility. This complete control allows you to set the machine for any vine or terrain condition. Loosen off one bolt, and the angle of tilt is easily and quickly adjusted to the required angle. Then the bolt is tightened. The Ledgard pivot gives positive and reliable breakaway action and allows you to prune around cordons and posts without slowing down or risking damage to vine or machine. The hydraulic rams are rugged, reliable and responsive, giving you infinite adjustments. Controls are simple and compact, and the operator's bird's-eye view of his work gives him complete control, resulting in a uniformity of bud numbers or wood down every row, thus reducing the chance of overcropping. Mounting and unmounting is also very simple and quick. The harvester is lowered to the cutter bar unit, positioned on its support stand. Bolts are inserted at 4 accessible mounting points and tightened. And 3 hydraulic hoses are snapped on to the harvester-mounted hydraulics. When the season's pruning is finished, you simply reverse the process and leave the cutter bar unit on its stand in an out-of-the-way corner of your equipment shed. The Ledgard Retrofit Unit not only maximizes the value of your harvester, it also delivers optimum performance, and it could save you the price of a tractor. All 3 of these cutter bar units will give you superior operational control and function at good ground speeds, with unbeatable operator safety and protection. The Ledgard cane lifter is a hydraulically operated unit that can be fitted to all Ledgard cutter bars to enable very low-lying canes to be lifted off the ground and fed straight into the cutters. This means that there's no need to follow up with manual trimming. which saves time and money. And it means that no canes are left on the ground where they might be driven over and broken off, or where they might pick up ground contamination. The Ledgard cane sweeper will help keep the risk of contamination to the very minimum. This rear or front-mounted 3-point linkage hydraulically operated unit will earn its keep by the chores and costs it saves. It can make a clean sweep of many problems because clean floors minimize disease transmission. Clean floors minimize remedial spraying. Clean floors before netting eliminate time-wasting, net-ripping entanglements upon retrieval. Clean floors make it easier to rotary hoe or slash. The Ledgard cane sweeper can be manually or hydraulically adjusted for left tilt and right tilt. Loosen off 4 bolts, and either front tilt or back tilt is easy, which means you can direct canes to where you want them for later mulching. The unit can be lifted by the linkage or by the hydraulic ram to any required operating height, or simply lifted out of the way. Loosen 2 bolts and you can extend the sweeper arm to the exact width required. And the Ledgard pivot provides reliable breakaway action, protecting both your vines and your equipment. A simple flow control lever sets the speed of the sweeper, which is completely independent of the tractor's speed or engine revs. The Ledgard cane sweeper can be used with other equipment to do 2 jobs at once. You can have 2 sweepers on the front and a mulcher at the rear, or a pruner up front and a sweeper at the rear. And when this rugged and versatile machine has finished its chores, it can be replaced on its stand safely and quickly. The Ledgard Vine Shaper is a handheld hydraulic shears unit that is ideal for growers wanting to train old and valued vines. It will easily cut through a 100mm diameter vine and the supporting wire with 1 snip, and with a safety not possible with a chainsaw. The Vine Shaper works from the tractor's hydraulics and operates with an inbuilt electronic switch that allows users to have both hands safely on the unit at all times. Blades are available in 3 different sizes, allowing you to select a blade ideal for your particular need. Old vineyards can now be quickly and safely restructured for easier picking, pruning, and spraying. The Ledgard Extra Heavy Duty Cutter Bar is also ideally suited for orchard work. By replacing the vineyard sprocket with this smaller one, the standard Extra Heavy Duty unit is geared to handle rugged orchard work, including heavy pruning, trimming, and skirting. The double-acting Extra Heavy Duty Cutter Bars can prune thick, dense wood to achieve the tree shape you need. Ledgard's specially designed hydraulically controlled pivot system allows you to cut tops, sides, and skirts with ease, and with minimum time wasted in repositioning bars to suit each task. Designed for year-round work, a custom-built Ledgard pruning system will really handle everything from heavy pruning to light trimming, and will handle it safely, without the need of cripplingly expensive manual pruning and dangerous tower work. Ledgard Power Packs. The PTO-driven Power Pack is designed to suit both your tractor and your pruning needs, and to provide the right amount of power. High-volume pumps, large-diameter hoses, a carefully designed reservoir suction screen and fittings, and a high-capacity filter are all standard features. With the proven effectiveness and efficiency of Ledgard equipment, your vines or orchard and your bank balance will be in far better shape because Ledgard pruning equipment is a cut above the rest.